Chad. Why? I was gonna record. Camera's dead. I'm already slacking. Look who I'm with. Look at this guy. Man, Chad, I'm already slacking. I brought the camera. I'm like, yeah, I'm finna just do the little recording vlog for y'all, and camera dead, man. Didn't charge it. What a clown. So, back on the phone. Back on the phone again. It don't matter. We ain't making no excuses. We still getting it done.
Hey, numbers consistent.
Yeah, the only thing that matter. Vlogmas day 4. Wow. When y'all come to Chipotle, what do y'all normally get? Are y'all more like a bowl type, a burrito type? Are you a salad type, a quesadilla type, a nacho type? What y'all normally get? You know what I'm saying? I'm a bowl type guy myself, because it's like you get the best of both worlds. You get a tortilla on the side, you know what I'm saying? You can get a bowl and a burrito, you know what I'm saying? And if you get the chips, you got nachos, so it's like the best of both worlds, but it is what it is. No beans. Can I do chicken? I do steak as well. Nice. Can I do cheese?
Yeah, is that all?
No. Can I do sour cream?
What else?
Can I do a little bit of this red salsa? Just a little bit. A little bit more. Perfect. And then can I do more sour cream?
Yeah.
And then just a little lettuce. Just. Yep, perfect. All right. Chad.
Boosters, man. We gonna get a little grub in.
We gotta get a grub in. Let me set y'all up. Hold on. There we go. Got that bowl. Man, come on. See, this is why I need the camera, dude. I played myself. I should have checked the camera battery, honestly, before I even left the house. And I should have known because I was recording all yesterday. But I ain't giving up on y'all, chat. Don't give up on me. We're still staying consistent. I know the vibes. Oh, that's a view. That's a view. Let me show y'all. Come on, chat.
Look, let me show you how I'm getting down. Okay, so I got the sour cream with the corn gerb. I got the chicken. And then I got the rice. You always get the extra tortilla on the side just for quick game. Because, you know, you might as well just get a burrito. You might as well make it.
Man.
You know, easy money. Then when, you know, put it like this. Roll it out. You know, that's how we doing it, YouTube. We coming like this. You know, excuse me, y'all. Hold on. Let's come back to this.
All right, my mouth watering. That boy Blue over there getting busy too.
Hey. Now, chat. Chat. Now come back to me.
Look it up, they can see you.
Look, chat. Burrito.
Man.
Bruh. Go stupid.
Stop it. Get some help.
He used half his bowl and made him a burrito.
Then look. That shit look like a wonton.
And he still got a half a bowl left.
I like these Chipotle chickens. They kind of give a good portion of rice, you know. You ain't gonna ask for too much. I like the slice.
Wow.
Look, I didn't make check. I didn't make a burrito, basically a wonton.
He said a wonton burrito. That's it. Delicious.
That's the bubble. Nice.
You ever been hungry and then when you finally get your food and you eat, it make you like Man. With every bite, got a little more boogie in it. Delicious.
Hello?
Nice. We got a shot.
You know, you don't want to have too much sugar.
What do we do? He got a shot of mango tea.
And so you don't want to have too much, you know, sugar. So
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Yeah.
you know, I was calling like my wonton earlier. It's like the sweeter.
Yeah. It is a little sweet.
Yeah. But it's a balance.
It's a good balance, good sweet. Cheers. We need to sponsor Chipotle. We need to sponsor them. Ugh. Delicious.
Hey, thumbs up.
Man,
Thumbs up.
last bite, guys. I'm done. Well, I gotta have like a third of a bowl left. Man, I'm packing it up. Take this to go. That's gonna do it for the shiz. Oh man. I might eat that later. Have my way with that. No cap. What you got going, Blue? What you got left?
YouTube.
Man, just some rice.
Just some rice.
Man. You gonna take that to go or what?
I don't think I can, man. YouTube. I told you we need a sponsorship.
Man. Yeah, I'm gonna pack that up. That's definitely coming with me with no doubt. No doubt. I'm finna go home, watch the game. And chill out.
Swag.